Hey, what's up you guys? It is your girl Christene here, and today we are going to be doing a little organizing and upgrading, just because what else are we doing in this time besides, organizing the stuff we've been putting off. And I also need to upgrade my vanity because it needs a little loving. So let's get started. So this is how my vanity looks right now. My brushes are just sitting in like a little candle jar repurposed. That's also a candle jar repurposed. Guys, do it. It's great. My nail polishes are just sitting there. And then this is totally chaotic. I have like necklaces just laying around here, palettes, face masks. It's just not organized. We're going to be organizing that. And then, as you guys probably noticed, I don't really have any lighting. Like, I have this right here that does turn on. But like, that is it. I really don't have any lighting, so I'm going to be upgrading that into like a Hollywood style mirror. And so I will have a lot more lighting doing that around it. Like, my old lighting was terrible. This is what I had for my old lighting, which just stuck on top of there, which didn't do anything. So we're gonna be upgrading this, organizing that, and yeah. So these are all the things I'm going to be using to organize and upgrade my vanity. So first things first, I have these clear compartments that are just going to go on the inside of my drawers to organize all my makeup and everything. And then I have these are like the Vanity Hollywood style lights. They do come with, get in here, like the stickers so that you can stick them on. And then I have this creative covering vinyl, and it's just like marble, and I'm really just going to use this on the bottom of the drawer. Basically, I'm going to wipe down the whole bottom, and then this is going to go on the bottom and make it just look a little cuter. Next, this is kind of the important piece of this. So as you guys can see, these are connected by wires. I just felt like it'd be really ugly if you just stuck these on your mirror and then you just see these wires hanging out. So I got these. These are just like wire covers you can get off of Amazon. Didn't necessarily want them to be white, so I got this cool mirror effect spray paint that I'm going to spray right onto these covers. And then I have obviously a tape measure. I'm gonna have to cut these, so I'm gonna use a measuring tape to measure in between. And then lastly, I have this cute little doorknob I got from Home Depot that I thought I would put on to my elastic band lid, so I would have a cute little lid. And then that's also another thing that E6000 glues for, is I'm gonna glue it on top. So let's continue. Okay, so this probably looks really weird, but I have all the light bulbs spread out. I got one of the sets that has a pack of 12. Most of the sets on Amazon do 10 of these, but I wanted 12 because I wanted a little bit more light. But it was only $20. So I'm doing 4 across here, and then doing 5 across here, 4 across the other side. And so I am just going to measure it out in between, wrap the cords around it, stick it out until it's all the way around. And then after that, I'm going to take these and I'm going to measure how much it is in between each bulb that I need this for to cover the wire. So let's do that. That's what it looks like so far with the wires. And now I'm gonna measure, in between these two and so on and so forth, so that I can cut these properly to fit in between each one. So yeah. Okay, I have these all ready to cut, so we're just gonna go downstairs and cut them with the saw. Then we'll come back up here, make sure that they fit exactly the way I need them to, and then we'll go do the mirror spray paint. So I spray painted a test piece for the covering for the cords, and it just turned a chrome color. It's like not at all reflective. And then I closely read the bottle and it says that it will do the mirrored effect for glass. Right there. I should have known better, but that's why we did a test piece first and not use one of the actual pieces I cut. So I decided I'm just going to use the regular white pieces on my white vanity and cover the cords up that way. So let's go do that instead. Ta-da! You guys, it looks so good. I'm super impressed. I'm really actually happy that the spray paint didn't work out because I actually love the white with like the normal white. So I feel like it wouldn't have looked so good if we had done like the spray paint on it. Because like this actually looks more like a Hollywood style mirror with the white enclosing the lights. But I'm super happy with the results. I also put in this cool, I just put the command hook, so like this is where the power button is on it, so I can just tap it, no problem. Then it's off. Gosh, I am super happy with this result. And now we get to the even more fun part, organizing. Yay! So here is my vanity drawer. So you guys can see there is a couple of like dings and scratches, which is also another reason that I'm gonna use this bad boy. And covered the bottom of it up so it looks a little cleaner. I'm gonna have to cut it because this is like 18 inches by 20 feet. And obviously my drawer is shorter than that, so we're gonna cut it. And then I'm gonna use this, which is basically just going to make sure that I don't get any bubbles into it and flatten it out for the bottom. Alright, so the drawer is back in, nice and marbleized now. And now I'm going to start organizing with these cool clear containers I got off of Amazon. So I decided the best way to figure out how I want the organizer bins is to start putting in like my palettes and my brushes where I want them to be, and then kind of move it from there and organize it from there. So yeah. Ta-da! Finally figured out how I want to organize it. So I probably will end up getting a few more of these from Amazon just because I do have a couple, like my hair ties are still hanging out and my nail polish is still hanging out. But it's a lot better than what we started with and a lot cuter with a little marble background and opens up more space for the rest of my vanity. So looking good here. And yeah, I had to change cameras because my other one died. So that's why I have Chunky out here. But even like redid that. So now it's all cute with my clear hair ties, my mirror. So much more space. So much more organized. Da-da. And that is the end of this video. If you guys like this organizing, upgrading, DIY kind of video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you guys haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye!